Hello everybody, today I'm unboxing this perfume that I got from TikTok. Jazab Rose Gold, okay? I've heard so many nice things about it, so I've got my own. I just thought we unwrap it together. So let's get it open. Don't mind this, my scissors, so one hand is broken. It looks so posh. Look at it. How it comes like. I'm so excited to know what it smells like. Ooh. Okay, I didn't show you guys this bit. Look, this is so posh, man. Look. Wow. Did you see? Aww. Jazab Rose Gold. I'm so curious to find out what it smells like. This is nice. Ooh. Guess what? It's unisex, so a man can use it, a woman can use it. It smells amazing. This is beautiful, guys. So if you want this, please click on the yellow basket and get for yourself. It's amazing. This is so good. I love it. I've had two beautiful perfumes that I so much love from TikTok. Thank you, TikTok shop. And thank you for sending this to me. I'm so grateful. Guys, if you're wondering what this thing smells like, please go and get it. I can't explain it. You know when you cannot explain it? This is beyond my explanation. I can't. But it smells amazing. Wow. I love it. Look at it. It smells nice. Please click on the basket and get yourself some.